Y'all ready, girls?
Yes. We're actually excited about it. Seeing you dance.
What's up? What's up? Appreciate you, dog.
Yeah, no problem, man.
All right, bro.
Yeah, we're going.
All right, bro.
Am I taking this? Or y'all don't have room?
We got
Good
room.
luck, mama. She gonna take me your car to the river.
Alright. What's up, DCB fam?
We're going to Cars and Coffee.
Yes, sir. Charleston's first Cars and Coffee.
Is it gonna be like the one where we saw Dwayne and it was at Suella?
No.
It's gonna be outside? Okay.
So we got mom following us, so we're gonna take the scenic route. Well, DTV fam, I've turned my daughter into a car junkie. I got my son hooked, got my wife, she's almost there. But she's getting a little bit more involved. But my daughter is hooked.
Yes.
What's your favorite car?
Let me think. A Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce.
Just playing. A Lamborghini, which we got. Dad, whenever he dropped me off, there was these like 5 boys, and they were like, "Who just got dropped off in that Lamborghini?" I said, without even a face, I said, "What time does it even start?"
I think it starts at like 8 o'clock, but you gotta get there 7, get a good parking spot.
So we just woke up just to get a good parking spot.
Yeah, girl.
Y'all could have left me in the room and come back. Hey guys, okay, we're back and we're here. Whoa, that is a huge flag. That's as big as like our school cafeteria. And we thought we were early, jeez.
I know, we're running late. Y'all plan on filling this up today?
Oh, yes, sir. That's the plan. We're starting off good, though. We haven't even started yet.
That's cool. Let's go check them out, bro. Yeah, all these guys, they rode in together. So they all must be in their own little crew.
It's gonna be me and my friends, Daddy. I'm all for them.
Okay.
Oh, you gonna buy?
Y'all wanna get some coffee?
I'm good, man.
I want some. All right, DCB fam, we are at Cars and Coffee, Houston, Texas. And there's a toy drive this morning. We just delivered our toy, did our good deed for the day. Now I'm about to get me some coffee. What's up, bro? What you got in there? That's coffee, hot chocolate?
Coffee, yeah.
All right, let me
We
get
also have sausage, egg, and cheese calzone that are brought out any minute now.
some sausage, egg, and cheese.
Yeah.
I do.
You don't need sugar or creamer?
This coffee good.
Oh my God.
Uh-oh, dogs fight out here. Thank you. Good. That's a cool color, right?
Like a neon green.
Not that.
Yeah, I can't never say I feed my daughter. Never know what you're gonna see at Cars and Coffee. Check out this car about to pull up. What do we have here? What was that? Wow.
Probably built that in their garage.
Yeah, it's pretty cool though. It's like starting off as a Lambo, and then it's like
He had a dream one day. It was like
Bugatti in the back, a Vet. Nice car, dude. Right here. They got some spots right here. You gonna see right up there on the left. That's the limo service you need right there. it. Hey, you.
Hey, girl. Avery ready to get turned up.
I saw Santa.
I saw Santa.
Over there.
He's giving out gifts. Avery loves presents. What you want for Christmas, Avery?
A Bobby house.
All right. What else?
Nothing else.
Oh no, you got a
I
Barbie
want
house with
AirPods.
a-
I want
phone?
AirPods. I want an Apple Watch. She's not smiling. What's this?
It is packed out here. I done lost my group. Hey, little curly fry. All right, ECB fam, we are rolling out. Twin turbo Lambo is rolling out. We are rolling out of Cars and Coffee. I had an amazing time. Had the whole family out there. Got to see some friends out here in Houston I don't get to see. It's cool to catch up with all my partners out here in Houston, man. I learned a lot from a lot of these guys out here, and you know, we all look out for each other. So when they come to Louisiana, I make sure I look out for them. So, ooh, I like this shot. Man, that Ferrari is clean, man. Shifted in the fourth.
Yeah. Yeah, you did choose him.
I short shifted. I came around him hard though. So when you raced him in your car, y'all was dead even?
We're dead even to 165.
Damn.
If me and you race in the Ferrari, probably you'll have it by a car.
Okay. Is that a pista or that's just a 488?
No, 48.
488.
You did the dual tune downpipe filter on it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put me some Toyotas in the back so I don't spin.
Yeah.
I'll be spinning sometimes too. I ain't spinning because you riding with me, but when I'm by myself, it's spin.
Yeah.
See how I do how I want to kill?
Yes. That can be adjusted with a tune.
It's just a tune. Yeah.
No, your RPM count though. Mine at 1,000.
Yeah, and that's what it is.
Yours 800.
And when it's real cold outside, it'll just kill. Yeah.
You need jelly count just a tune.
Okay. This thing gorgeous, bro.
Appreciate it.
Gorgeous, man. Nice meeting you, bro. All right. Just ran this thing. Think it's exhausting a tune. That was a good run. You gonna take it for a ride?
Huh?
You gonna take it for a ride?
Yeah. It's his favorite car. Clearly. God, yours looks good.
Appreciate you, bro.
I love it.
All right, DCB fam, that is a wrap. It is 12:30. Been riding this car for 3 hours. Got a good race with that McLaren 600 LT. Supposedly the car is bone stock, but man, the car rolled out. But I had a blast, man. Always coming out here to Houston. They got a little meet tonight, so if all goes as planned, I might head up to that meet and get with everybody on tonight and go play around. But well, look, man, appreciate y'all checking out the channel. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit me with some comments, some likes, and I apologize not been putting out that much content, but hey, YouTube ain't paying the bills right now. Down for anybody is. So y'all be easy, man. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'm gonna holler at you.